Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the May 2026 Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month includes 4 brand new collections. You'll get cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. We also have 3 add-ons that coordinate with our Flavors of the Month, so you can add more cardstock, more pattern paper, or more embellishments. We also have the Shots of Life kit, which coordinates. It's our pocket page scrapbooking kit, but it has pattern paper and embellishments that will coordinate with your Flavors of the Month as well. So be sure to check all of those out. There'll be some links at the end with the unboxing videos. Our subscribers also have access to a lot of free exclusive stuff. So to start with, you'll receive access to 4 recipe cards. These are double page layouts that our design team creates for you, and they include their cutting assembly instructions and a color photograph of the finished layout so you can create right along with them. You also have access to a free exclusive cut file. These are designed by Cut to You, and this month is this awesome Sweet Summer Days cut file. So you have the title, the Polaroid frame, and then the lemons, which is perfect for our summer documenting kits that we have right now. You also receive a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can brew that up and sip on it while you unbox or while you start creating. When you join us over on the Facebook group and the blog, we have sketches. We have the Freaky Fast Friday challenge. We have inspiration for each one of the collections from our design team. So be sure to come over there and join in on the challenges. Take advantage of everything that we have to offer. Also be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel because our design team creates process videos with the kits as well, so you don't want to miss out on those. This month our 4 collections are Bella Boulevard, Let's Celebrate, Cartabella Lemonade, Echo Park, Our Groovy Summer, and Simple Stories, Color Me Happy. So let's dig right in and take a closer look. The first collection we're going to look at is Let's Celebrate from Bella Boulevard. So this collection is perfect for so many things. You could do an anniversary, you could even do birthdays, graduation, prom, New Year's, anything that you're celebrating, this is perfect for. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper is picture perfect with all of the cameras. The back is a starburst in gray. And then we have Talk of the Party, which is all of these speech bubbles. You could fussy cut some of those out to tuck in for embellishments and subtitles. The back is a diagonal yellow and white stripe. And then we have this one called Black Tie Frame. And the back is this super cute little floral gray on black. So that is your patterned paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get an assortment of the icon and word ephemera. So all of these will vary among the kits, but you'll get something similar. So that is Let's Celebrate from Bella Boulevard. Our next collection is Lemonade from Cartabella. So this is that heavy textured cardstock weight. You're going to start with 2 sheets of Mediterranean cardstock. This paper with the floral bouquets and strawberries and lemons. The back is a cross pattern with yellow. That is called Sunshine Floral. And then we have the slices of lemon with blueberries, or little blue circles. The back is a blue circle print. That's called Berries and Lemons. And then we have bouquets of lemon slices with the leaves. Super cute. And the back is this really pretty coral pink. This paper is called Let's Make Lemonade. One more look. Pattern paper, super cute summer collection, perfect with that cut file this month. You're going to get 2 sheets of the sticker sheets, so these will vary among the kits, but this is the 2 that I got. And you're going to get a row of enamel dots, and of course those colors will vary too among the kits. So that is Lemonade from Cartabella. Next up is Echo Park's Our Groovy Summer. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. This paper here with the row of cherries. The back is green on green little hearts, and this paper is called Disco Cherries. Then we have a multicolored stripe. The back is a pink tone-on-tone floral, and this one's called Summertime Stripes. And then we have a multicolored floral, super cute. And the back is a floral and leaf, tone-on-tone, kind of a pinkish red. That is Always Shine Flowers. So a really fun summer vibe. Love it. For the embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. We have some word labels down here, lots of bigger ones that you could use as titles, which is always fun. And then all of the kind of groovy summer icons. I love the little VW bus and the camera. We have flamingos. So that is Our Groovy Summer from Echo Park. Our final collection is Color Me Happy from Simple Stories. You're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. Your pattern paper is this ledger. This is called My Goodness, and we have the floral down here. And the back is a plaid in the aqua color. This paper is All About It, which we have circles in a grid design. Super cute. You could punch these out and make a design on cardstock background. Be super cute. Add them for embellishments. They're great for the base of embellishments. The back is an orange tone-on-tone stripe. We have this paper called Okie Dokie, and it's a scalloped border in all of the colors from this collection, and the back is a green ledger. Super bright summer fun. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the foam stickers. This is about 1/4 of the pack. And then you're going to get some bits and pieces. So all of the embellishments will vary. So that is Color Me Happy from Simple Stories. One more look at your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out those add-ons. The links are here at the end so that you can check out the unboxing videos. Make sure you join us on the Facebook group for all of the challenges, fun, and inspiration. We want to thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.